In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get the Windows 10 taskbar icons into the center of the taskbar. So the first thing you need to do is right click on the taskbar, and we want to remove the people's icon. So you need to right click and then untick show people on taskbar. We now also want to get rid of the Cortana icon, so you need to right click again and untick show Cortana, and we also want to remove the task view, so right click again on the taskbar and untick task view button. We now want to remove the type here to search. You can keep that there if you do want to, but I'm going to remove it for this video. So I'm now going to right click again on the taskbar and go up to search, and I'm now going to go hidden. So now the taskbar is empty. You now need to right click on your desktop or in your documents folder or something like that and create a new folder. And we're just going to call this folder hyphen. We're going to give it the name hyphen and press enter. So you can put this folder absolutely anywhere, but for this video I'm just going to do it on my desktop. So you now need to go ahead and right click on your taskbar, and you need to go up to toolbars. You now need to click on new toolbar. And you now need to navigate to the folder that you just created. So mine's on my desktop, and you can see there the hyphen folder. You now need to double click into this folder and then go select folder. As you can see on the right hand side of my taskbar, I now have a hyphen icon. You now need to right click on your taskbar and untick lock the taskbar. You now need to hold down on the two lines and drag it all the way to the left hand side of your taskbar icons. As you can see, the icons are now on the right hand side. You now need to hold down on the two lines again and drag the icons to the center of your taskbar. You can now right click on your taskbar and tick lock the taskbar again, and there you go. As you can see, I now have the icons in the center of my taskbar. And that is how you do that in Windows 10. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.